My name is Kenneth Byrd. My company is Crystal H Technology Screening. That's here in the corner all the time. I requested about a few days ago to talk to this lawyer or so-called lawyer from Crow. Sorry about that. I'm downstairs doing some relaxing. I ain't like sleeping upstairs today. It's too hot, so I decided to stay downstairs. It's much cooler downstairs. So I requested to speak to this attorney. Keep in mind, last couple of days, like I said, working on new technology. I haven't really looked at this so-called video that he claimed that he sat in the backyard with an attorney. This is a real attorney right here. This is what it looks like when they send you documents. I can send you documents for days, but this is what happens when you have a real attorney. His information's blocked out here. So I told you, we know where you live at. So again, we are requesting to talk to this attorney that you claim that you sat in his backyard and he made these accusations. If he made these accusations and these accusations weren't true and he did these off the top of his head, we can go to the Bar Association and we can go from there. So we need to speak to this individual that you had and you sat down in this backyard and had this conversation with, who never presented his face on camera. We need to know the law firm he's representing, and we need to have a conversation and talk with him. And we already dubbed the video. The video's already been dubbed already. So bottom line is, if this is fake, and again, this is going to get you in more trouble, you're going to have to we're going to court and say, look, this guy's going on YouTube faking that he's talking to attorneys. He's got people in here posing as being attorneys and they're not. So this is going to get you in more trouble. Now, this is a letter that was sent to Crow. This is a copy from the attorneys that we hired to go in to put a cease and desist order against him for Mr. Fernando. His address, all full information's right there. We know where you work at. Now, let me know. Yeah, I told you I got an investigator. We know where you work at. We know all your whereabouts. So when we have to come down and serve you, they know where to go. This is what we got from an attorney. Now, if an attorney felt that our copyright wasn't infringed, he would have never sent this to begin with. They would have told us we didn't have enough evidence to be able to send this letter out. They would have told that to us right from the door. Like, no, we can't send this out because there's really enough evidence there. It's pointless. There's no point in pursuing this. Or we have evidence. We have tons of evidence against you. First of all, again, I told you, you can't go out and take someone's product and claim it to be something that it's not. And that's what you did. Not only did you do a review, you did multiple reviews slandering our work, saying that, hey, his product's too dark, it doesn't work. You accused me of being a scammer. You accused me of stealing from people. This is stuff that you have done. Now, you can sit there and say, well, you did the same thing to me. Buddy, there's a video of you deleted off your channel showing you making a black and white paint labeled Metallica Mix 2.0, which on my PayPal receipt shows that I paid for Metallica Mix 2.0, and it matches a black and white paint that we made off the video that you deleted. Again, evidence right against you. I can sue you for fraud. Alone, if I was a customer by myself, I could sue you for fraud. But since I already knew what I was buying, that's my fault. Now, on your end, we have done tons of demonstrations to back up our products, which we'll present in court, showing that our product does work. Also, too, as I said before, we have contracts under our company's name of officials buying our products and using them, which will gladly come into court and testify against you that they bought the product, they used it, it works perfectly. On top of that, for the copyright, which some of you don't know, Crow made a fake Instagram account. We have screenshots of you talking to customers and nasty ways posing as me. When you take someone's copyrighted artwork, which we have, and you alter it, change it, put scammer on it, stuff like that, and you repost it onto a site and you post to be us, that's tampering with someone's artwork. That's tampering with someone's copyright. You did that 13 times on that page. We have screenshots of that entire page. We have screenshots of the customers. I even have a customer who went in and not the customer. I have people a fellow who went in and saw it, reported it back to us. We have him as a witness that he saw the upload that you put up there, posing to be us. Even there's a screenshot of me going in there having a conversation with you, telling you that you need to remove this page. This is not us. So, buddy, you're done. That's it. Like I said, I'm going to cancel your paint already from the door with that black technology, and I'm going to sue the living daylights out of you. Because I sent you a letter giving you a warning, telling you to mind your own business. And when we go to court, I'm going to show this before a judge. My lawyers are going to show this before a judge. And they're going to say, yeah, Mr. Byrd contacted James Fernando, asked him to, or Jamie Fernando, what do you call yourself? Sent him this letter, gave him fair warning that if he pursued, he would be sued. You know what you do? You go into a backyard with a stranger and do a fake demonstration of an attorney. Let me tell you how attorneys work so you understand how things work in the real world. First things first, they're not going to meet it with you in your backyard. Second thing, they're not going to make nasty comments about the person that you're talking about. They're going to keep it professional. Anything that you have to say in front of an attorney, they're going to look at you and say, well, that's basically hearsay unless you have evidence proving that's what it is. I really can't listen to that. I have to listen to what the facts are. That's what they're going to say. You're going to meet up with them in the office. You're going to schedule an appointment. They're going to sit down. They're going to have a talk, and you're going to talk about this, that, and the other. They don't want to care about all the stuff that's happening on the sideline. They want the straight facts because that's what they're going to use when they go into court. Because anything else, when you go into court between a judge, they're going to consider that to be hearsay. If you don't have the evidence, it's hearsay. So the attorney is going to contact the other person by either they're going to send them a letter, which you just got with a letter. That's how they contact you, with a letter. They're not going to sit down in a live stream and just give off a button. They're not going to do that. So since you claim you have this attorney, we are requesting for him to contact us. You know where we live at. He can send us a letter, have him send us a letter to us so we can basically look over the letter and I can put it before my attorney, or he can call us. Either way, doesn't make a difference. We need to speak to him because I want to know what law firm he represents, and we want to know if he's a real deal, and I don't think he is. Because I don't know what goes on in your make-believe world, but attorneys don't sit down in their backyard and talk on a live stream about anything at all, period. All that's confidential the minute you walk into that office and sign those papers. But this is the real deal, buddy. This is the real deal. And if you think that because he walked into Home Depot with a container, yeah, buddy, you're getting sued on that because, like I said, the evidence behind that and the evidence of making up the Instagram account and duplicating our copyright without our permission has now got you a lawsuit. So I said before, we are requesting the attorney that was in the backyard that you claimed that you was a real attorney. We're requesting him to send us a letter and contact us because we would like to talk to him. All right, with that being said, I got to get back to work, but wanted to show you the document that Crow had received from us. And Crow can contact the attorneys here. And like I said, we look forward to speaking to your attorney. So have them give us a call. And stop all that trash talk about, oh, we can go to court anytime you want to. Buddy, you're getting a case built against you with the real attorneys. Not that fake nonsense you're doing on camera. Have the attorney contact us. We want to know what law firm and who he is. And if he's a real deal, he should have no problem reaching out to us. If he's a real attorney. Any attorney will reach out to anybody, bottom line. When we got one of these from Screen Innovation. I know that we got Screen Innovation, and I was able to get on there and contact the attorney and go, okay, what's this about? So and so and so, so and so and so. I was able to talk to them to find out what was this all about. So you can call these people and find out, this law firm, and find out what it's all about easily. The number's right there. All their information is right there for you to contact them. It's right there. All that is right there. Signature and all. So if you got a real attorney like you said you did, I would expect to see a letter or an email because it's been, 2 days and there's nothing in my email. There's nothing in my junk mail. There's nothing anywhere. Not even my focus. There's nothing there at all, period. No letters came to the house, nothing. I'm going to come back in another 4 more days and recap on this. And that'll show you people at the end of the day, this person will do anything to make himself seem like he's innocent or he does no wrong. And he came on camera talking about, yeah, I got this attorney and we met in the backyard and we talked and stuff like that. And he don't got a case against me. Yeah, nice try. Fake attorney, buddy. I want to talk to this fellow, have him contact us. We'll give you a couple more days. We'll come back in. All right? All right. I got to go. I got to get back to work, people.